When you're wanting to do an overcast and a seam at the same time, you'll actually have a built-in technique for that in the Sewing Advisor. Technique number 3. So when you pick it, it'll say seam and overcast. Right now the fabric selected is woven medium. Well, I'm going to actually do a little neckline on this particular of stretchy fabric. So let's go ahead and do stretch. Let's do stretch medium. First off, it tells me I need foot B, so that's the one with the little cutout, so there's room for the stitches to form. Great. Now I'm going to just take and I'm going to cut a little curve out of this area, just to kind of give you a sampling, and then we're going to put some ribbing where I'm cutting, so like a neckline. So this is going to also be like a serger, where we're going to have the stitch going over the edge, and then also it's going to seam it at the same time. So I'm taking my ribbing, folding it in half, and then lining that up with the cut edge, and then I'm going to guide the fabric kind of on the inside of the right toe. Okay, I'm going to lower this down, perfect, just to see if I'm where I need to be. Take a few stitches just to kind of get started, because once it starts sewing, I am going to pull on this ribbing a little bit. As I bring the fabric around, I'm twirling the pink fabric into position as I've stretched the ribbing out to meet it. So it takes a little practice with this, but the cool thing is, check out that stitch it's doing. It's going over the edge, but there's that line of stitching that is stitching out the seam also, and this is a stretch stitch. So when I'm done, this seam will also have the give that we need for the actual neckline. See how pretty that is? Goes right over the edge. This is nice and secure here. There's our seam, and it has the stretch and durability we would need.